All right, let's dive right into this explainer and pick up exactly where we left off. In our last explainer, we went deep into the mechanics of LastPass Business, specifically looking at SSO, admin controls, and SaaS monitoring. We covered those incredible technical capabilities that let you secure environments and uncover all that hidden shadow IT. But today, we are transitioning completely away from the technical side of things. The stakes in today's cybersecurity climate are sky high, and every managed service provider is looking for ways to fundamentally secure their clients while scaling their own operations. So we're shifting our focus to how you can actually build a highly profitable business strategy around this platform. Welcome to the LastPass Partner Playbook.
So we've got the tech down, right? The underlying technology is absolutely phenomenal for your end users, keeping their credentials protected, private, and always within reach. But the high-margin business model we're exploring today is an absolute game changer for partners like you. Listen, identity and access management is no longer just a nice-to-have, it's a foundational, required layer for any serious security offering. And once you embed a core credential solution into a client's daily workflow, that revenue becomes incredibly sticky. If you're looking to drive reliable recurring revenue, expand your portfolio, and establish yourself as an indispensable security advisor, this is your step-by-step tutorial.
Here is our roadmap for today. 1. The MSP partner opportunity. 2. Integrating your existing tools. 3. Mastering the partner portal. 4. Co-branded marketing and sales. And 5. Co-selling in cloud marketplaces. Let's get right into it. These 4 straightforward steps are going to form your ultimate playbook. Keep in mind, these are highly sequential, and they're designed specifically to just completely remove operational friction for you, the partner. My goal today is to give you a crystal clear, actionable path for seamlessly onboarding clients and scaling your technology business, turning your client's SaaS chaos into clarity and ultimately into your recurring revenue.
Section 1. The MSP partner opportunity. Let's talk about becoming that trusted security advisor.
Okay, so let's break down this multi-tenancy platform. In layman's terms, think of it like holding the master key to a massive apartment building. You, as the managed service provider, can securely manage every single tenant's locks, setting up custom policies, deploying templates, and automating password management, all from one centralized desk, without ever crossing wires or mixing their private data. This is absolutely huge because it specifically saves a single technician hours of billable time each week. They aren't jumping through hoops, opening 10 different browser tabs, or logging in and out of different client environments just to reset a password or onboard a new hire. It reduces risks, boosts security, and just completely eliminates administrative friction.
And the great thing here is that you're not boxed into a one-size-fits-all model. There are different specialized tracks available depending on your business. If you're an MSP, looking to simplify client security management, you can literally hop online right now and start a 30-day free trial, no credit card required. And the immediate first step once you do that, the centralized portal opens up instantly. You get full access to start building up policies and testing deployments before you even spend a dime. Now, if you're a reseller wanting to expand your portfolio or a technology alliance partner looking to integrate, you simply contact their dedicated partner team for tailored onboarding. It's designed to be accessible and instantly scalable from day one.
Moving right along. Section 2. Integrating your existing tools. Let's look at those seamless integrations.
Here is an absolutely crucial point. This platform works with your current tech stack, not against it. It slots beautifully into tools you're probably already using, like Kaseya, Datto, and Microsoft 365. But what does that actually mean for your daily operations? Well, it means automated billing syncs and centralized ticketing flowing directly into the platforms your help desk already relies on. With Microsoft 365 provisioning, for example, when a client's HR department adds a new user, that person gets their vault instantly. Zero manual entry required from your team. Plus, and this is a big one, no extra agents are required, which means no operational disruption. That is a massive win. No rebooting endpoints, no clunky software conflicts with your existing antivirus, and no frustrated end users. You deploy in minutes and just manage it with ease.
All right, Section 3. Mastering the partner portal. Welcome to your new command center.
So, once your tech is integrated, let's contrast the old way of doing business with the new. The old way for MSPs meant wrestling with clunky spreadsheets for manual billing, trying to untangle scattered SaaS chaos across dozens of different clients, and suffering through complex, bespoke deployments for every single contract you signed. Total logistical nightmare, right? The new way, utilizing the centralized partner portal, gives you unified oversight, streamlined SKU billing, and a single clean dashboard to rule them all. You have a crystal clear view of your entire business operation in one single window.
When you log into your partner portal, this is the toolkit you're handed. You track user licenses, manage your SKUs across all your clients, and pull detailed billing reports that completely take the guesswork out of end-of-month invoicing. But let's look closer at those ready-to-use deployment templates, because this is where the magic happens. Imagine you're onboarding a brand new client with 50 employees. Instead of sitting down and manually configuring custom security policies, password lengths, and sharing rules from scratch, you just click a pre-built template. Boom. In minutes, that entire 50-person organization is secured to your exact standardized best practices. It's incredibly fast and remarkably efficient.
Grounding this in the real world for a second, this centralized partner program isn't just software. It's backed by dedicated human sales support that actually helps you close deals. Jack Moran over at CDW highlights how the dedicated account management and strategic sales support stay fully engaged through multiple quote revisions just to help address cost concerns with the end client. And because of that heavy lifting and a team willing to roll up their sleeves, they secured a massive 3-year deal right before the end of quarter deadline. That's the kind of true partnership that drives your bottom line.
This level of support fundamentally shifts your daily operations. Peter Makarov at Acronis points out that trusting this integration completely addresses password needs, literally freeing up your valuable time. Because the portal automates all that tedious stuff, your highly paid technicians aren't stuck doing basic credential resets all day long. Instead, they're completely freed up to focus on proactive, value-add initiatives. Think VCIO consulting, strategic road mapping, and actually growing your core business.
Which brings us to Section 4, Co-branded Marketing and Sales. Let's learn how to drive sales with ease. Now for the really fun part, generating demand. And the absolute beauty of this program is that you don't have to be a marketing genius or even have a marketing department to sell it. Through that same partner portal, they provide a full suite of localized, ready-to-use co-branded assets. Let's say Cybersecurity Awareness Month is coming up. You just hop into the hub, download a pre-written email drip campaign, slap your MSP's logo right on it, and fire it off to your entire client base. You don't have to hire a copywriter or design a single graphic. You just launch these campaigns to immediately drive demand with virtually zero heavy lifting from your internal team.
And Jason Laguerre, the CEO at Hotline IT, points out exactly why these campaigns are so remarkably effective. Password management is a universal pain point. Literally every single business struggles with it. Because you're marketing a highly recognizable, lightweight, and cost-effective tool, it serves as the ultimate foot in the door. It's often the very first product they recommend to a new client. When you step in and seamlessly solve that massive, universal headache, it acts like a Trojan horse. It establishes immediate, undeniable trust with your new clients, completely paving the way for you to sell broader, more comprehensive service contracts down the line.
Section 5. Co-selling in cloud marketplaces. Let's see how you can seriously accelerate your growth.
We need to quickly define a critical concept here for anyone looking to scale: quota retirement. In layman's terms, if you are a seller on a major cloud platform, you have mandatory sales targets you have to hit. But with quota retirement, selling certain approved third-party software actually counts towards your own numbers. It means you're automatically hitting your cloud sales targets and satisfying your platform requirements while simultaneously delivering an essential security solution to your clients. It's a massive double win that accelerates your entire sales motion. Here is exactly how that plays out in reality. By acting as an AWS ISV Accelerate partner, LastPass ensures that AWS sellers can take full advantage of this quota retirement. You can seamlessly co-sell top-tier business solutions directly through the cloud marketplace. This is mechanically brilliant because it allows you to tap into enterprise cloud budgets that companies have already committed to AWS. It makes the purchase orders so incredibly easy for your client to sign. You get the high margins of the partner program, the trust of the brand, and the mechanical sales benefits of the AWS ecosystem, all working perfectly in your favor.
And remember, as you're co-selling and marketing this to your clients, you aren't pushing some unproven beta product. With over 15 years of continuous innovation, more than 100,000 businesses worldwide already choose this platform. When you join this partner network, you are scaling alongside a proven, highly sought-after solution that has massive market validation. Selling a highly recognizable brand just completely melts away sales friction compared to trying to convince a client to hand over the keys to their kingdom to some unknown tool.
So armed with this 4-step playbook, from seamless multi-tenant integration all the way through to cloud marketplace co-selling, the path forward is incredibly clear. The only question left to ask yourself is, how quickly are you going to leverage these tools to start securing your clients' digital worlds while radically growing your own recurring revenue? Go ahead, take advantage of those free trials, explore the Command Center portal, and start building out your offering today. Thanks so much for hanging out with me for this explainer, and I'll catch you on the next one.